Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your bank's online banking or mobile app and choosing Interac eTransfer or Send Money. Enter the recipient's email or mobile number exactly. Once entered, select the account to debit and type the amount. For security, create a clear but non-obvious question and answer that the recipient will know. Once done, review whether you want auto deposit enabled. Make sure the recipient can accept deposits directly to their account to avoid security questions, if available. Next, select delivery options and any transfer fees. Some banks show limits per day or per transfer, so check those figures now. Enter a brief message to identify the payment, then set or confirm the security question and answer unless the recipient uses auto deposit. Once you've double-checked the amount, account, and contact, click Send or Confirm. The bank will usually email or text the recipient with claim instructions. Make sure you note the claimed status and expected timing for reconciliation. Finally, confirm success by checking the transaction status in your banking history and saving any confirmation number or receipt for records. If the recipient says they never received the notification, verify the email or phone number you used and ask them to check spam or blocked messages. Resend if necessary. If you sent to the wrong contact or the funds remain unclaimed beyond the bank's expiration, contact your bank immediately to cancel or recall the transfer and follow their dispute steps to recover money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.